Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 74. Eonni. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is on, the second syllable is ni. Eonni. Pronounce it with me. Eonni. The word eonni is a Korean noun for sister, and this is only used by a younger sister or a younger girl to address her older sister. How do you spell eonni in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable, on. First, draw an Eon character, followed by an O character, and followed by a neon character. And then, to write the second syllable, you'll have to draw a neon character, followed by an E character. Once you're done writing the Hangul for each of the syllables, you can now combine it to form the Hangul for the word eonni. And with that, you've just learned eonni. Now, let's proceed to the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 64 to 73. But don't forget our word for today, word number 74, is eonni. This is a Korean noun for sister, used by a younger sister. Word number 73 is hyung. This is a Korean noun for brother, but this is only used by a younger brother. Word number 72 is oppa. This is another Korean noun for brother, but this is only used by a younger sister to address his older brother. Word number 71 is omoni, and this is the Korean noun for mother. Word number 70 is aboji, and this is the Korean noun for father. Word number 69 is najonge. This is an adverb of time, which means later. Word number 68 is goda. This is a root verb, which means to walk. Word number 67 is araso, and this is an informal way of saying, alright, I understand. Word number 66 is alda. This is a root verb, which means to know or understand. Word number 65 is kwenchan sumnida, and this is a formal way of saying it's okay. And last for our review is word number 64, kwenchana, and this is an informal way of saying it's okay. Congrats for making it this far. Learn Korean one word at a time. Only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.